Ready to do part 2 out here. I looked at the deck boards I've got done, and I got enough to cover, say, 7 feet. And so what do I got out there? I got 14. So I'm going to need 7 more fairly wide boards. No way I'm getting them out of this one log, but one more tree, probably that one right there, will give me what I need for that, for my deck. And I don't know, just keep milling, I guess. I need sideboards for my trailer. Have something there to haul livestock with, so, or sawdust, who knows, but I do need higher sideboards. So anyway, let's get this done. Alright, there's the first board off of that. You'd probably edge that into a nice board, but yeah, I think I'll just leave it live edge. Peel the bark off it and I can go to the basement. Should almost just keep going like that, really. Yeah, well, so I think as long as the mill will clear it, I'll have to check that. So that give me my widest boards right there. I'll just have to see if the mill will clear it, I'll mill it. If not, I'll have to roll it up to that flat edge on the side. But all right, see what I can do here. No, it's not going to go that way. It's a little too wide. Still, I just measured it, so when I roll that up, it's still going to give me 7 to 8 inch boards, so, which is pretty good width. All right, let's get this rolled up and start milling. But I don't know about this side when I get that basement board, or edge it and use it for a narrower deck board. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Okay. You should measure this end. Not the widest here. Yeah. Zip that down. Yeah. That's my small end, so yeah, I still get 7 inch boards out of it. It's pretty good. All right. Start zapping them off. Right. Down to the last log. So what I'm going to make the 4x4 out of. Mill set to 4 inch. And when I get this done, I'll show you what I get out of this tree. Alright, that's it. Decent looking 4x4. Kind of impressed myself on this one. Alright, let's get this stuff moved and I'll show you what I got out of this tree. God, had them leaned up against these fence rails. 4x4 was limit, and she fucking fell off the posts. Good thing I don't have any animals in here, and good thing it's fixable. So anyways, so I got 3 boards here, lots of weighing on them, so they're going to the basement. Here's my 4x4, so it'll be going under the deck for legs, I guess, what you call them. I don't know, I'm not a carpenter. And I got 3 pretty good deck boards here. So that's the narrow end down there, so should give me at least 7-inch boards. Here's my 3 pieces of 2-inch. They should give me some good 2x5s. And over here I got my slabs. They're pretty rugged looking, but where they're rugged looking, that's like the big end of the tree. There's not much on the other end because the tree narrows down so bad. And they're not getting wasted either. They're just going to get cut up into firewood length and use them in my house in the spring or fall, or in my outdoor oven. So yeah, so that's one tree. So firewood, 3 2x5s, 3 good deck boards, a 4x4, and 3 basement boards for the cold room. So anyways, I'm gonna shut this down now and say maybe I'll just kind of keep going with what I'm doing here. So yep, that's it. Till next time.